name is Nathan, and this is the project I made for the competition. So the game is called Catch the Cat. So you click the cat and then you catch it. Just that you know the cats per click is normally 1, but it was adjusted for demonstration purposes. So you just click the cat. And then yes, that was an intentional feature. Sometimes the cat will become a pop cat as a reference to a meme. Then this is your first step into automation as a description for buy a pet cat. So when you click the buy a pet cat, you get a cat per second, which is self-explanatory, but you also unlock a lot more. These are the final stuff, which is quite expensive, which I won't get to today, but it's self-explanatory again. So I bet that you can learn about how this will work, and then buy another cat. You literally buy another cat, but there is a limit on all of them. See, slow as it can go. And then this is capped at 15 as well. So theoretically this could go to infinity, but I don't do that. Okay, so that's most of the gameplay done. Oh, I forgot the rebirth, but we'll get to that later. So there is quite a lot of code. Let's start at the cat. There's a little bit of stuff here, like increase the number of cats, but most of it is just self-explanatory. And then you can pause if you want and then read this. Oh, and the reason this is here is to stop intruders into the code by, oh, this seems like a fun thing. And then the audio is off. Well, it creates a screeching noise. And then over here, there's just some and then it's pretty similar on all of them. So this is the main code that makes it tick. When this part clicked, if price change the price to go, change the amount to go down of money to go down, and then change the cat speed, and then change a thing that you want to change by the specific amount. Else, say you try to cheat, didn't you, because you didn't have enough money to buy it. And then this is something interesting. I've actually coded descriptions for all of them. And then the rest is mostly just code that's hanging around. Oh, these are to stop it from going overboard. And then this is just a tester because there was a bug where if you click green flag, the cat just is frozen. The rest of these are just making sure that it hides when it goes to different screens. And then it's pretty similar for all of them, except these ones have cats per second, and this one has a special thing, and it's multiplied by rebirths, which we'll get to later. So I think that's that. And then there's the intro screen, which is pretty cool. Okay, finally time to get to rebirths. So, oh, this is right here because there was a bug before again. Here. No, wait. So, set cats to infinity, rebirth, and then when you rebirth, you get times 2 points each time, like the cats per click, and you get multiplier on the cats per second. Like for example, you get a cat factory, instead of 5 cats per second, you get 10 cats per second. That's really all there is to it. Oh, and I forgot to say one more thing. Go back, buy a pet cat. And then for this 1-1, you can open a mini game and Look at this. You can go increase cat per click infinitely. but only on this, and it doesn't move too, so it's really good if you just want to begin. Anyway, that's all. Wait, no, there were two more things. Okay, so the reason I chose this project in particular is because one, it's a fun project to work on, and two, I already did most of it last year. All of the fundamentals were already laid, I just had to add on to it. Two, what was it? The difficulties in this was, for some reason, there was a bug here. So for example, if I remove this, play, the cat is frozen. It still does have functionality, but it's frozen. Who knows why? And that's only one, not to mention the actual coding. There were a few more points, right? What were the points again?
If you have more time, what you wanna do?
Oh yeah, I would like to add more pages because the inspiration was actually from a game called Cookie Clicker that I really like. I would like to add a few more pages and there's some empty space. And actually add an ending instead of just Rebirth as the ending. Anything else? Okay. Thank you for watching this.